What's up, y'all? My name is Courtney Elsie. I am a master braider from Chicago, Illinois. My Instagram name is conay_control. That is CONAY_control. And today I am very excited because I'm about to do some Havana twists using Outre's X-Pression Twisted Up. So Outre did their thing with this, okay? This X-Pression Twisted Up Springy Afro twist hair is everything. It's very similar to spring twist hair, but just pulled out and fluffed out. As you can see, it's very springy. Okay, honey, so in this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how I achieve clean parting, as well as how I install and safely take down twists. Okay, so boom, I'm using Magic Finger Studio Shine Gem because it's the truth, honey. I just apply some to the back of my hand and I begin my parts. Every braider knows that clean parts are the most important part of the style. So after the initial part, you take some of that Shine Gem and apply it on the scalp and part again. The use of the product helps each strand go on its designated side, okay? This strand needs to go on the right and this strand needs to go on the left, honey. The product helps with that. Precision is key, honey. I will go back and forth through my parts 3 or 4 times before I'm done, okay? And some of y'all are probably wondering, like, sis, that part is kind of long in the back, but we do tend to have a lot of breakage around the napes of our head, so I do make the parts a little longer so that when I do go to do a protective style, it doesn't slip. And voila, honey. Look at those clean parts. So I take some of that Shine Gem and I apply it on the section that I am working on. And then I go ahead and I split that thing on up into 2 sections, diagonally though. With the Springy Afro twist hair in hand, I take the right section and I begin to twist clockwise. I move that out of the way, make sure there are no flyaways caught, and I take that left section and I pull it under that right section. The thing that I love most about Havana twists is that you don't have to be super precise and super neat. The intent is for them to look as natural as possible. Okay, so to safely take the twist down, you go to the bottom, grab the bottom, and you start to untwist, unravel it from the bottom back up to the root. It's literally that simple, guys. And wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Look at my model looking very cute in her Havana twist. The Springy Afro twist hair was definitely a success. It gave me the exact look that I was going for, and my model is very happy.